Are you tired of stomach problems? Then you might not want to miss these 8 rules of Ayurveda. Natures know the best. Pay attention to the quality of your food and the effect it has on your body. Moong dal is like a light breeze, easy to digest, while urad dal, well, it's a bit heavyweight that takes its sweet time to digest. It's all in the cooking. How you prepare your food matters. Take curd for example. During digestive problems, it can be challenging to digest, but whip it into buttermilk and voila! What a friendlier feast for your tummy. It is like a culinary matchmaking. Pairing foods that complement each other enhances your digestion and nutrition absorption. Harmony in your belly is the key. Listen to your gut. Eating just enough for the digestive system to handle keep things smooth. No need to overload. It's all about the balance. Go local, go fresh. Choose quality ingredients over the convenience of ready-to-made preservatives. Grain, veggie and fruit. Oh my. Keep it real, keep it fresh. Timing is everything. Sync up with your body's natural rhythm. Let each meal have its moment and your digestion will thank you later. Dine like a pro. No phone, no TV. Just you and your meal. Eat mindfully, chew slowly and savor every bite because it's a feast for your senses. Always consider the temperature of food, timing and overall eating habits. The nutrition of diet depends on how it is consumed, emphasizing the importance of mindful eating.